Hello everyone, I'm James Okorie, and this is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on everything that concerns automation, solar installation, CCTV camera installation, smart home automation, electrical wiring and installation, and all our training are purely hands-on practical training. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Abuja, Lagos State. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen actually in case you want to enroll for our physical training or for our online training. We also have accommodation for people that are coming from far places. Today, we will continue our training on timer. Remember, you can just follow us on YouTube or other social media platforms. We have dropped a lot of videos that concern timers, and we have discussed the previous timer terminals. We are on terminal categories of timers, and we have discussed about coil or energizer terminal of timer, because as an automation engineer you must understand how to use timers to work. And we said that we have 4 terminal categories of timers, which are the coil, or you call it the energizer terminal of timer, which is number 1. Then we have what we call the common terminal of terminal, which is number 2. We have what we call the normally open terminal of timer, which is number 3. And we have what we call the normally closed terminal of timer, which is number 4. Today we are on number 2, the common terminal of timer. We have already done the number 1. You can watch the video. You can just check and see the video in our page so they can watch it and understand. Now, what is common terminal of timer? When we say common means that the terminal that are between the normally open and normally closed. And common terminal of timer means that it's a terminal that you must supply current to before you can get output from that timer. So if you want to use timer to energize a particular load, you must supply common with current so that you can get output current, without which there won't be anything like output going to the load. Let's do this with diagram. So when we say terminal categories of timer, let's look at this is the coil terminal of this timer. Okay, because if you are working with timer, just look at the body of the timer. You see diagram on the body. Timer can be a digital timer or analog timer, and this happens to be the common terminal. This happens to be the normally closed timer, normally open terminal. So if we have maybe these terminals of timer this way, and this is the coil of timer, which in this case is labeled on any timer that you are buying. So here we label it, is labeled 2 and 7. So anywhere you see anything where you see 2 and 7 on this, it means that it's the coil terminal. Then we have the common terminal of timer here. So these are the common terminal. Why is it not common? Because it's the mediator between this normally closed and normally open. So this is normally closed and this is normally open. So it means that you must supply current to this common before you can get output from either normally closed or normally open. So if we happen to have this as maybe live and neutral supply, which is maybe 220 volt supply, and you want to power a load, let's say that we have a load here, and this load requires live and neutral to be powered on, which have 2 terminals. Let's say that this is a load. So for you to power this, you must supply live wire to the coil and neutral to the coil, meaning that the coil have received live and neutral. For you to have output, you must supply current to the common. And then maybe you want to power on this, then you have to supply current from this normally open to one terminal of the load. Then from the neutral, you can supply to another terminal of the load. Practically, we will do all this. That's the reason why you have to subscribe to our channel or follow us, so that you'll be seeing how we'll be practically connecting this for you to perfectly understand it. But this is the diagram illustration on how to connect a load on timer using normally open. And before you can connect, please make sure that you supply current to the common, because if there's no current to this common, it means that there won't be any live wire going to this, but this is a switch. So it means that you must supply current to the common so that you can have output from either the normally open or normally closed. This is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on anything that concerns solar installation, CCTV camera installation, automatic transfer switch, industrial control panel, and again anything that concerns smart home automation, AutoCAD design, then the low panel, the high panel, and everything that concerns electrical in general. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Abuja, Lagos State. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen. Now, for you to buy our book, you can also call us or send us a WhatsApp message. We also have PDF books. We also enroll people for online training, physical training. Alright, feel free to call us and make inquiries. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Watch the next video where I will be describing and talking about the normally open terminal of timer and the normally closed terminal of timer. Thank you very much.